Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So guys, I'm currently in Dubai and guess what? There is an IFX Expo that is going to be happening from the 16th to 18th of January. And guess what? Fxview, the broker that I'm using, is the platinum sponsor of the IFX Expo that is going to be happening, guys. Fxview is a registered broker in 4 countries, guys. Make sure that your money is very safe. They're going to be the IFX Expo on booth 40, guys. Make sure to come through, meet the experts, socialize, what you can learn more about trading, and also be able to meet the team, guys. This is what they're going to be. Let me take you through and see. This is the Dubai Trade Center, guys. You can see this is it right there. This is the center, guys. I'm also going to be here, guys. So make sure to come through, come meet the team, come meet the Fxview team. You can know the broker that you're using and also be able to meet the team and everyone that is working at Fxview, guys. Let me take you through the Dubai Trade Center. I've been here for the Forex Expo in September last year, but also the Expo, the IFX Expo that is going to happen this year. I'm going to be here, guys. Make sure to come through. Let me take you through. Guys, when you come through, this is where everything is going to be happening. This is where the Expo is going to be happening. You can see the setting. As you can see, guys, this is the setting right there. When you come through on the 16th to 18th, make sure to visit the Fxview booth. That will be 40. Booth 40, guys. Make sure to note it down. Booth 40. Guys, come through. One more, meet the team. This is where it's all going to happen, just in this building, right here. Come meet multiple Forex traders, learn from them, socialize, and also for the influencers, how you'll be exposed to great deals, affiliate marketing, and all that. And also, guys, make sure to come through. FX is the broker that I'm using, and the reason why they are registered in 4 countries. Make sure that the money is very, very soft, and also they're an easy broker. Meaning, anytime when you're posting a trade, your trade goes in fast. They're a very fast execution broker. Then the other thing is, Fxview, guys, is taking over the Forex industry by storm, offering lower spreads, pairs like gold. Most of you guys are not allowed to trade gold. Guys, make sure to come through. This is the plus. As you can see, this is the Dubai Trade Center, where everything is going to be happening, guys. I'm excited to see you. Make sure to come through. Also, traders, I'm going to be leaving a link below this video. Make sure when you watch this video and you want to attend the expo, come through. I'll be leaving the link. Make sure to register. As you can see, the other entry that you saw the other side, that is the first entry. Then also we have another entry this side, and all these entries just come through the metro, guys. As you can see right there, that is the other entry, guys. Make sure to come through the Fxview to the world. Best broker that is taking the internet by storm, guys. As you can see, guys, I'm enjoying my Dubai because I took the risk. So I want to take you through this other entry, then after I'll go back to the metro and then head over back to my hotel. But I wanted you guys to see Dubai World Trade Center, where everything is going to be happening. See, guys, this is the Dubai World Trade Center. This one right here. As you can see. Guys, make sure to come through. And if you don't have an Fxview account, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Make sure to sign up and join the winning squad, guys. Make sure to sign up and join the winning squad. So this is the Dubai Trade Center. I don't know where the word is. I think the word is in front. Let me walk through so you guys can see it. Let me walk through so you guys can see the word Dubai World Trade Center. And for those that are wondering how much does it cost to come here to Dubai, it's not very expensive, guys. Let's see if we can see the word right now. It's up there. Guys, make sure, I want to see you, all of you guys, come through at the Dubai Trade Center from the 16th to 18th of January. That is next week. Fxview is the platinum sponsor of the IFX Expo that is going to be happening. I want to see you, all of you guys, come through. Come on, come through. Get your friends, guys. And let's take on this Forex world, guys. I want you guys to meet all the big guys. Guys, I'm back in the building so I can show you where the expo will be happening. Obviously, just there. You see, inside one of those buildings, that is where the Forex Expo will be happening. Come through, come on. If you don't have an Fxview account, guys, make sure to get one right now. Also, I went and did some shopping. Because of Forex money, it's easy. You can see, guys, Forex money is very easy money. As long as you take the risk, guys, there's nothing. There's no difference between me and you. The only difference is me, I take the risk, and others control the risk. You see, I control risk. I don't just trade anyhow. Check receipt, but control receipt. That is the only job of a trader. You should know how much you're always going to be losing in the markets. Guys, I'm going to be winding up the video right here. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed it. Let me see you at the IFX Expo. Bye bye.